In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset or empty your Google Drive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump straight into it. First, you need to access Google Drive. So go ahead and open your web browser, and in the address bar, type in drive.google.com. Make sure you're logged into the account that you want to reset. This is essential because you don't want to accidentally empty the wrong drive. Now that you're in Google Drive, it's time to select the files you want to remove. You can do this easily by clicking on any single file to highlight it. Once you've done that, if you're using Windows, press Ctrl-A to select every file and folder displayed. If you're on a Mac, you would use Command-A for the same effect. It's a really quick way to gather everything without needing to click on each item individually. Next, look for the trash can icon in the top right corner of the page. Once you've selected your files and folders, simply click that trash can icon to move everything to the trash. You might notice a confirmation or notification that the items are being moved, and that's perfectly normal. Now the files are tucked away in the trash, but they haven't been permanently deleted just yet. So let's navigate to the trash folder itself. You'll find it on the left-hand side menu of your screen. Just click on the trash option. It's usually labeled pretty clearly, so you can't miss it. Inside the trash folder, you'll see all the items you've just moved there. If you're absolutely certain you want to empty your drive completely, it's time for the final step. Click on the trash can icon again, which you should find at the top of this trash window. This action is going to prompt a confirmation message asking you if you really want to permanently delete everything. Take a moment to double-check that you're okay with this, because once you confirm, the files cannot be recovered. If you're sure, go ahead and confirm the deletion. And that's it. You've successfully reset or emptied your Google Drive. It's a straightforward process, but it's also crucial to ensure that you really want to lose that data before hitting that confirm button. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips like this. Whether you're decluttering your digital space or just need to start fresh, knowing how to properly reset your Google Drive can really come in handy. I hope you found this tutorial useful, and I'll see you in the next video.